Here's the form of the least squares regression line and the formulas for slope and y-intercept. Another common problem on AP is to be given a word problem that provides the 5 statistics necessary to use the formulas for slope and y-intercept and ask you to construct the LSR line and interpret slope, predict values, etc. The following is such a problem. Early in my teaching career, I analyzed data to determine which of two 8th grade end-of-the-year exams was the better predictor of the percent score on the 9th grade Algebra 1 semester final exam. We will use the data for this video and the video on coefficient of determination, since it is what pointed to the appropriate conclusion of comparison. Heads up, once you determine which variable is y and which is x, you have it made. So remember, whatever variable value you wish to predict is the y value. Try to determine this as you read the problem. We paired a student's score in the 8th grade test with the 9th grade Algebra semester final exam score. The mean percentage score on the 8th grade test was 79.7% with a standard deviation of 10.4%. The mean percentage score on the 9th grade test was 82% with a standard deviation of 8.5%. The correlation coefficient was 0.443. Here are the questions we need to have answered. Part A. Since we wish to predict the 9th grade score, the y variable is the 9th grade score. Thus, these are the 5 values to be inserted into the slope and y-intercept formulas. Slope turns out to be 0.362, y-intercept is 53.15, so here is the least squares regression equation, otherwise known as our prediction line. We interpret the slope by stating in the context of the problem how y values are expected to change for each additional 1 unit change in x. Therefore, we should get used to starting with the 1 unit change in x like this. For each additional percentage point earned on the 8th grade test, we expect the 9th grade score to improve by about 0.36 of a percentage point. Predicting a 9th grade score from a student who scored a 72% on the 8th grade exam, we arrive at the predicted 9th grade percentage of 79.5%.